Guys, I just experienced, you can see my hand, it's still happening. It hasn't stopped. It hasn't stopped. The earthquake is still on. God. Guys, I am experiencing earthquake currently. I just felt it again. For the past 10 minutes, it has been happening. I'm still inside the house. God. This is my second time experiencing earthquake since we moved to Japan. This is one, because the first one I experienced before was not as terrible as this one. This is one side of Japan that I don't enjoy at all, because a lot of people had bad experience. But this one is not that bad, but you know, the negative thing you've heard about earthquake. I mean, this bed has been shaking, and what was in my mind about my kids, my husband, I just got alarm, a very terrible alarm. It was ringing, even my daughter phone, it was ringing, earthquake. So this is it. Earthquake warning, stay calm and seek shelter nearby. It's crazy. Like, I thank God though, because I don't know, it could have been another story. Anyway, I just did school run. I'm going back home now with my bicycle. Let's go, guys. Let's go home. I'll see you guys when I'm home. Hi everyone, good morning. We are starting up another video, another vlog. So I want to take you guys to bank with me. I don't have work today, so I want to go to bank. Day before yesterday, I wanted to make some transaction. I realized that my ATM card has expired, so I'm going to go to bank to go and renew a new one. And what else again am I going to do today? Then come back and do something at home. That is what I'm going to do. And okay, make rice for the kids. I make their lunch when they, I don't even want to know what to call it at the point. But anyway, good morning everyone, or welcome back to another video. If you're coming to my channel for the first time, my name is Amara. I'm a mom based in Japan. I'm just documenting my life here in Japan. Okay, so I'm a Nigerian mom based in Japan actually. So you're welcome to my little space. Feel free to stay with us, subscribe and like this video. So let me document on the whole of this day. Probably the vlog continues. Hope you guys are enjoying my vlog. Please always leave your comment. It actually encourages me to always put up a vlog and video for you guys to enjoy about Japan. So you're welcome. Let's go. So that's my boss over. How much I love here. Don't buy. saw potato. This is the biggest. And look at the price. Wow. This is so big. So big. See? I'm looking for chocolates for this cake. Let me find them. Yeah, okay, I think that's it. I'm gonna find these chips. Oh, this one. Butter cookies. 214. What do I do? So I saw this cookie now for 214 and I bought it for 213. I don't know why. I don't know why. So let's go home. I'm done buying. I bought all the stuff I needed in here. I bought the potato. We eat sweet potato a lot in this house. So let's go home. Hello. I went to bank. I want to quickly show you guys what I bought. I bought this cookie. So good. But I'm abstaining from it. The way I'm running away from all these sugary things this year. So then again, I bought avocado. I bought three of them. So 3 avocados. I bought, this is the most highlight of all of them. Let me tell you guys, you see this big gigantic sweet potato. I usually used to buy one for 159 yen, and I came to the store and I saw it for 214. Who won't grab it? If you say I came with money. You buy one like this, tiny one like this for 159, and I saw it for 270. I think this is the season. Likewise, avocado. So I bought 5. So this is so good. It's so good. I love it. So the next thing I bought is eggplants. This is my snack. Instead of snacking with these kids cookies and getting more fatter, baby girl have to snack on this or avocado. So this is all I bought. For my bank, I went to the bank. They requested for, you guys saw when I entered inside the bank, they requested for my stamp. The Japanese still use this stamp thing. So I told them that I'm going to come tomorrow. I'm not coming there again today, even though it's just 4 minutes away from my house. It's just 4 minutes away from my house. But no, I'm not going. I have a lot of things to do. So I'll probably do that when I'm back from work tomorrow. I'll come back much early tomorrow from work. So I'll just branch and handle it, get it sorted. They said they needed to change my address, hence why my transaction didn't work that possible day. So let me go and start on my day. I ordered this from Temu, not the wig. This wig, what is it called? Dummy. It's dummy, yeah. So I ordered it from Temu. I want to start making my braided wigs. I don't know how I will go about it, but I already ordered hair extension that I'll start to braid, like braided wigs. That's what I want to start doing, probably like a business. So I thought about what business to do, and this is one I can easily do. Anytime I don't go to work, I can start braiding many styles and show on TikTok, show even here. So if you're close by, I can braid for you and send to you wherever you are. So later I'll show you guys my artwork, my work, and then again I can just braid and maybe post it like as a content, because I know how to braid. You guys saw my daughter's hair, but I realized that here is so puffy. It's going inside. I don't know why, but anyway, it's beautiful. It's not costly. It's kind of changing colors. I've not even used it. I've not used this thing. It has this blue inks, like I don't know. Anyway, I just thought to show you guys. Okay. I just came back from work and I got a delivery. This is I got this delivery from Amazon, so let's unbox it together. I know what is inside, but I just want to share with you guys and see if you want it. So let's unbox it together. I'm just coming back from work now. And I'm tired. Yeah, this is hairbrush. My kids' hair. Anytime I use like this presser, you always used to iron press. I don't know if it's what it's called, but you guys know I'm going to insert a picture of it. They always cut their hair, so we thought about buying this one for them, and I hope it's going to make so much sense. I've seen a good review about this on Amazon, on Instagram. It came with cards, right? This is what is inside. It came with card. This card, I don't know, maybe, I don't know what it means. Maybe to put up a review for them to see. So this is what it looks like. In camera it looks so big, but seeing it face to face is not that big. But this is why it's good. It looks so superior. It looks good. So maybe I'll try with this my hair and see. I have braid on. I have my braid on, so I can't even try it with it. Maybe I'll just loosen one and try it. But anyway, this is what it looks like. Let me go and prep. I'm so hungry. It looks so good. This is it. What's the name? Alilia. Beyond. I don't know what is it. I don't know. But this is how it came with, in case you want to buy it. So see you guys. So I'm just using it to straighten out this. It's so cute. This is so nice. You guys see? I don't have to go through using a hot comb. Either one's the same. But this is so easy to use. You guys can see. So easy to use. Perfect. My environment is scattered. So I'm set to go to work. I'm ready to go to work. Initially I wanted to wear this wig, but no, I'm not gonna wear it. I want to wear this simple one. I am all set. My phone, my second phone. I'm using my phone to vlog. I even forgot. But this one doesn't have network, so I don't usually call with it. Just going to be inside my bag. Let's go. Right. See you guys out.